Derrick Reish with Laser Tech, and I've got the new TruPulse 200i model, and we're gonna see what's inside the box. We've got a nice gift box right now. Take the front look here. On the side here, you've got the model number along with the UPC code, so you know exactly which model you got, and also the product number. On the bottom side, we've got our serial number, so it matches up with the unit inside the box. On the back side, we've got all our certifications and everything there. And on this side here, we've got all our social media outlets. See what's inside the box. Go ahead and open it up. First thing I see is the unit itself in a carrying case. Next thing I see is some inserts. First one I pull out is about our warranty information. It's a 2-year warranty. We've got a QR code here that takes you to his website, and you can fill that information out. Or also you can fill everything out here and send that in through the mail. You definitely want to fill out your warranty card information for service. Got another insert here. It's all about our app solutions. It's got a lot of QR codes that takes you to all our different apps that we can interface with the TruPulse 200i. Last insert I have here, it's all about taking you to the user's manual, quick reference guides, all supporting documentation there. Next, we've got a neck strap or lanyard. You can attach that to the TruPulse 200i. Last here I see is 2 AA batteries to power on the unit. We do supply the batteries with this unit. And that's what's inside the box. Let's take a look at the case and open it up. So we've got a nice hard case here. So you have the nice bungee cord up front to hold the lid down tight. On the bottom side, we've got some grommets to water or dirt. If it gets in there in the carrying case, it easily gets out. On the back side, we see some belt loops. Got the Velcro one, or also insert, so easy to attach to your belts or backpacks. Go ahead and open it up. I see the laser, it's all wrapped up in plastic. We got that there. And now here's the TruPulse 200i. It's a very small, compact laser. You can see here, handheld fit. On the back side, you've got the neck strap attachment, and also the battery doors on the back side to insert those 2 batteries. Go ahead and put those in, and then you're ready for the field. Let's take a closer look at the neck strap. Go ahead and open that up. See here, just the length, the Laser Tech logo, of course, all over it. On the bottom side, you've got a loop that's going to go used around the neck strap attachment point. Attach it there, and then you're ready to go with the TruPulse 200i. So that's everything that's in the TruPulse 200i box. If you have any questions, please contact us, and thanks for watching.